Alright folks, quick update. If you watched my last two live streams, you know what I've been up to with these Mac Pro CPU trays. I was going to do a live stream today, but Steve, aka Mac84, has been hogging all the airtime today with his Color Classic recaps. He just finished a successful recap of a Color Classic though, so it was worth it. But while I was watching that, I was finding all the missing components that I measured out last stream, finding it on donor boards, schematics. Took me about an hour of searching, found them all, put them on the damaged board, put it all back together, put some solder mask where the scratches were, and then put it all back together and prayed. And this is it, running Prime 95. Doing beautifully. Temperatures are a little high. This is with fan control, but that's probably my sloppy thermal paste application. I just wanted to test it real quick. So I'm gonna let this run for a few hours, and if it survives the Prime 95 torture test, I am 100% confident that the North Bridge and everything else is okay. So I got my spare CPU tray back. My 5,1 CPU tray that I took apart to measure those component values, that's okay as well. So I'm back in business. And that concludes this adventure. So, hope you enjoyed it. I will be doing some more live streams in the future. I just gotta clean my microscope camera so it's not such a crappy visual. And then I'll be doing some recappings and other things as well. So, stay tuned, and I'll see you soon.